So today I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. First thing you need to do is pick out a good foundation. Personally, I like using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So next we're gonna use a concealer. It helps brighten underneath the eyes. So I'm just gonna put some underneath my eyes, in my chin, on my forehead, and then with a brush, I'm just gonna blend this all out. This next step is an important step, so don't skip out on it. We are going to contour and bronze our face. This is the ultimate baddie experience. When you see someone, you're like, damn, I need that. I need to do that. This is what they're doing. I will be using the Anastasia contour palette to bronze my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced cocoa powder. And I believe this is still available. Okay, I just checked. It's not. Neither of these things are available. So maybe get on something else that's similar to this. So after I just contoured my face, I'm going to go in with the powder just to set that in and also make it more bronzy. So I'm literally just going to go over it. I'm not creating new shapes or new lines on my face. Make sure you always get the neck. So next, it's time for blush. Feel free to skip this out of your baddie look because usually they just have like a bronze, big lash, thick eyebrows type of look. But personally, I like adding some blush. I like to show people that there's a cutesy side to me, you know? And for that, I'm going to be using e.l.f. in the shade Peach Perfect. And after, I'm going to go in with the Sephora powder blush in the shade Shame on You. Next up is eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Benefit eyebrow pencil and the Morphe Supreme brow gel. The same way that you would usually do it, just a more thicker, sharper look. After you're done doing your eyebrows, I'm going to go in and highlight my inner brow bone. Next, we're going to highlight our cheekbones. Last two steps is mascara and a thick lash. And for my lashes, I'm going to go in with Lily Lashes in Miami. If you need a tutorial on how to put on the eyelashes, there's a video on my Instagram, so go check that out. After you put your lashes on, you're going to want to do your lips. And for that, I'm going to be doing the One Size Lip Snatcher lip pencil in the shade Shy But Fly and the Dose of Colors liquid matte in the shade Sand. So this is the final look. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok.